Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the languages on a 2008 Renault Laguna Mark III, but this should apply to models from 2007 through to 2015. To access the settings menu to change the languages on a Renault Laguna, put your key into the dash to turn on the ignition. With the ignition on, use the trip computer button at the end of the wiper stalk to go through the options until you see settings menu, press and hold. So hold in a trip computer button to access this menu and go down to languages. So you'll see language equals English. That's my preferred language. And when you're in there, you can see all the different language options that you now have to access and put into your preferred language. So we really hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.